The 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, tow hitch, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.